Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. In this video, I will show student evaluation system project in C#.NET with source code. So first of all, open this project file. This is our project file and this is our SQL file. This is the SQL file. This is the PHP MyAdmin SQL database file is attached with our project. So first of all, open this project in Visual Studio. So run this solution file. So this solution file is loading this our project. So our project is successfully loaded in Visual Studio. So this is the properties option is here. First is the properties option, second is the references, third is the resources. In the resources, images is here, lock image and unlock image. There are two images used in our project. This is the our app config project file. This is our configuration file of our project. So first of all is our project is a form 1. So open this form 1. This is our main form, our project. So in main form of our project, here is the first option is a student, second is the grade, third is the curriculum, fourth is the courses, then manage users, then prerequisite, then reports, then find student, and login is here. This is the main form of our project. So this is the main page of our project. When you log in, then display the main page of our project. Then the next form of our project is the add grades. This is the add grades form. Add grade here. So I drag it. Add grade here. Grades ID number and grade ID number, and add the grades form. Then the next form is the form course. This is the course form. In the course form, this is the grade view. This is the course text box. This is the save option, delete, new, close, and this is the search option, and this is the data grid view. This is the data grid view option. This is the data grid view for displaying information about courses. So when you add a new course, display in this data grid view. Delete this course, select and delete, automatically delete the course record, and adding new record and close. And this is the search section for searching the courses. And the next form is the students, search for student. This is the search student option. In the search student, search box is here. This is the data grid view, and this is the print option. This is the close option. This is the search for student option. Then the next option is the grades, form grades. This is the grades option. In the grade option, view student grades, and this is the add student grades. Adding a new student grades here and view student grades here. And basic information about student name, address, course, and year. And search a student by roll number, by name, and go. When you click on go, then automatically filter our data grid view. This is the data grid view. Automatically update the data grid view. Then the next form is the login form. So first of all, open this login form. In the login form, username, password, this is the two options. This is the icon of our login page. This is the two options. Okay, and cancel button, username and password. You type here username and password and then click on OK. Then you redirect on the form. This is the form. Redirect on this form. This form is our main form of our process. It controls all the options in this form. So login page, when you log in and type your username and password and then click on OK, the form is opened. Then the next form is the form prerequisite. The form prerequisite, in the form prerequisite, this is the search option is here, and this is the data grid, and this is the subject details form. In the subject details, course number, descriptive title, year and semester. And this is the prerequisite. Add your description and then click on save and close. This is the two controls of our this form. And this is the search the student, search the subject, and this is the data grid view for displaying information about subject. Then the next form is the print, ignore and continue, and click on yes. This is the preview form of our project. And the next form is the reports. This is the form reports, ignore and continue. Yes, this is our report form. In the report form, list of student, course preview, and in the student evaluation, student ID and print preview option is here. Print the record by student ID, and this is the subject to be enrolled, subject ID, and preview option is here. Print by preview and print by subject and print by student ID. This is our report form, and this is the main report section of our project. Then the next form is the form subject. In the form student, this is the student form, adding a new student, deleting the existing student, clear data of student, and close this form. In the adding student data, there are multiple fields is here. First one is the student ID, then the first name, last name, MI, address. In the sex option, male and female is here. In the course year, select and select. This is the select by course, and this is the our main student info is added here, and this is the our data grid view, and this is our control buttons. In the control buttons, save option is here, delete option is here, clear and close option is here, and this is our next pagination options is here. Okay, there are 4 controls for pagination, and this is our main form of our project. This is the student form. Okay, then the next form of our project is a form subject. In the form subject, this is the form subject, this is the subject form, and in this form, course number, course descriptive title, year label, semester, lecture unit, lab unit, and this is the same clear, delete and close option is here, and this is the search section for filtering our records, our subjects, filter by subject name and display in a data grid view. This is the data grid view for displaying records about subjects. So this is the main form of our project, main section of our project. This is the subject section. Then the next form of our project is the form users. This is the user forms and manage user form. This is the main sign up form of our project. This is the ID, name, username, password and type. Admin and student, this is the our main type. So when you adding a new record, when you type here information and click on save, it saves record in this data grid view. The update option is here, delete option, new and close option is here. Update the manage users, delete the existing users records and adding a new record of user. This is the main manage user form of our project. And then the last one is the form view, and this is the view form. View the information about student basic information. In the student basic information, ID number, course, student name, course year level, and note press enter in the grade cells in order to input grades. So first year record is here. This is the data grade view, preview, update grades and close option is here. This is the second year, third year and fourth year. There are 4 options for displaying student grades and student basic information and print these records. Okay, so this is our student evaluation management system project overview. You download this project, link is given in description below. You can download it easily and use this code and refer this code of our project. So I hope you like this project and like this video. If you new on my channel Technical and Programming AK, so like this video and then subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK and click on bell icon for more updates. So thanks for watching this video. Bye friends, thank you so much.